The winter chill returned today, and parts of the country are certainly feeling the cold snap.
Yeah, the big chill impacting the Appalachians all the way down to South Florida, plains and upstate New York departing in some blinding snowstorms, disappearing from sight in seconds. Dangerous winds and road conditions creating treacherous driving in Michigan. South Florida also feeling the frigid temps.
Yeah, Floridians are not used to this, and neither is the wildlife. Take a look at this. An iguana was spotted up in a tree, but it wasn't relaxing or napping. It was frozen. An expert noticed the light complexion on the lizard's belly. It's a telltale sign it's freezing, and poked it a bit. It fell right into his hands. He says the creatures freeze when temperatures dip into the 40s, but will likely start to warm up when temperatures climb back into the 50s. Don't worry, the iguana was unharmed by its fall. Thankfully, he was there to catch it.
Yeah, right place at the right time. But the fact that, part of the weather coverage in Florida is when there are iguana warnings.
The frozen iguana alert
out of the trees.
or falling iguana alert is one of my favorites.
It's
and they literally will fall out of the trees onto the concrete. They look like they're passed out, and as soon as the blood starts flowing again,
come back
to life.
Those poor things.
I know, right?
See, it could be worse.
Yeah. Bailey Cornick is like jumping up and down in the background.
She agrees,
She's experienced this in person.
Has one ever fallen on your head, Bailey?
No.
Okay, Bailey says no. So that's good. That's good.
Yeah.
But it was today. It was shocking to go out and feel that cold again.
And to the point of that story there, the cold went all the way into the deep south and even parts of Florida early today. They'll bounce back. We're stuck in winter.
Yeah.
And we have some light snow that's on the way tomorrow, and it will be a little slick at times. I don't think it comes down at a heavy pace, so it should be a manageable snow. A bigger storm will be offshore Sunday night, and the snow will get close to the coastline. But whether it stays just offshore or comes right on, still a bit of a question. Next week looks to continue the cold pattern, though. I don't think we're back to a thaw anytime soon. 20s in southern and central Maine right now. Bangor at 19, Cal is 17, and only 6 in Greenville. Most of us are clear now. There was some blowing snow today in addition to the snow showers up in Aroostook County. This is what's coming in for tomorrow. It's not a big system, but it'll be enough to bring us some accumulating snow. No problems tonight, and there will be clouds that come in through the night, so temperatures probably bottom out around midnight. By 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's cloudy in most of the state. Snow showers breaking out in southern and western Maine, snowing over into the Granite State, and these snow showers slide east through the morning. I think with temperatures below freezing by quite a bit when the snow begins, there will be some slick spots from the beginning tomorrow morning. And then the snow picks up a bit in intensity in the afternoon. It never gets all that heavy, but it's just more consistent. And at that point, it gets a little milder. It'll be a wetter snow in the afternoon, and there probably is a little rain that mixes in right on the coastline east of Rockland. It does zip out of here, though, tomorrow evening. By 5 or 6 o'clock, it's over in southern Maine, and it ends during the evening in eastern and northern Maine. A general 1 to 3 inches should do it for most. Could be a little less on parts of the mid-coast and down east right near the water, and perhaps a bit more north of Bangor and a bit more back in central New Hampshire and the Mount Washington Valley. But 1 to 3 for most of us should do it. Now, the Sunday night storm will form on the front offshore, as we've been talking about over the last several days. The track of the system is coming into focus. It hasn't changed a whole lot over the last 24 hours. However, the track it will take will put us very close to the edge of the precipitation. Whether or not that stays over us or it just misses out in the Gulf of Maine is a difference of about 30 or 40 miles. So at this point, the forecast for Sunday night is that snow is possible, especially near the coastline, but it's not a guarantee. We'll show you this on the hour-by-hour forecast here. The best window of opportunity for any snow would be centered right around midnight Sunday night. You see how the edge is very close to us. So it could just miss or it could just come on shore. Either way, it gets out of here Monday morning, and I think the best chance for any accumulation is probably going to be over down East Maine. Could be a couple of inches here and perhaps a coating to an inch or two elsewhere. But remember, if the storm does shift to the east, all of the snow would go along with it. So this is possible for Sunday night, but just wanted to give you an idea of where we think things stand. By the way, it could be some flakes in Foxborough by the time the game wraps up down there, hopefully with a Patriots victory. After that goes by, we're cold for the middle of next week. Frigid on Tuesday. Could be a clipper system of some type with some snow showers Wednesday into Thursday, but it doesn't look to be big right now. So Sunday night we'll keep a watch on. We're right by the edge of it.
Yeah.
Okay. See
Yeah.
where it moves.
Yep.
Stay tuned. All right,
Yeah.
Ryan. Thanks.